Hello. Today we're going to talk about doTERRA's top 13 essential oils and how you can use them on your dogs. This will be a short video, so I'm going to use my notes so I stay on track. My name is Rainey Ray, and I'm a leader in doTERRA, and all that means is that I love helping people and their pets get healthier with essential oils and other natural solutions. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that essential oils come from plants and we use them topically, aromatically, and internally. doTERRA is different because doTERRA essential oils are certified pure tested. So you can trust they are 100% and they are the only oils that I recommend that you use on your dogs. Before we jump into discussing these 13 oils, there are just a few simple things that I want you to remember when using oils on dogs. First of all, dilute, dilute, dilute. I prefer to use coconut oil because it has little or no odor and it has a very long shelf life. Also, dilute the oils that are considered hot oils even more than normal. So clove, cinnamon, oregano, things like that. Less is more because doTERRA is very, very potent. So let's talk math. For dogs over 40 pounds, you're going to use 3 to 5%. That's all. For dogs under 40 pounds, 1 to 3%. And for dogs that are less than 20 pounds, 1/4 to 1%. So what does that mean? This is a 5 milliliter bottle, okay? In this bottle is about 100 drops of oil or about 1 teaspoon. So 1 drop of oil, essential oil, with your carrier oil would equal a 1% dilution. By the same token, this larger bottle, this is a 10 milliliter bottle. So 2 drops of oil with your carrier oil would be a 1% dilution. For dogs, first of all, you have to know your pet's health status and use common sense. Don't use oils near their eyes, in their ears, nose, or genitals. Use a water-based diffuser for aromatic use and allow your pet to be able to roam free and leave the area. Don't use oils topically on your pet if you are using a topical medication or a dermal patch. So that includes flea and tick medications and preventatives. Observe your pet's behavior. In the event of any adverse reaction, dilute with a carrier oil, use common sense, and discontinue the use of that oil if your pet shows signs of distress or discomfort. Remember, just like people, each dog is an individual, and your dog may be more or less sensitive than others. So observe their behavior and they will tell you. Did I mention dilute, dilute, dilute? Okay, that's the key. So you can diffuse any of the doTERRA essential oils around your dog, but the oils to avoid topically and internally with dogs are birch, wintergreen, and to some extent tea tree, otherwise known as melaleuca. You use caution with the hot oils, as I said, oregano, cassia, cinnamon, clove, rosemary, thyme. If you're using a hot oil, you dilute a lot more. So that would be 1 drop of the essential oil to 2 tablespoons of your carrier oil. So let's talk about these 13 oils. Frankincense is truly the king of oils for humans and dogs. It supports a healthy immune function, nervous system, skin, relaxation, balances mood, soothes, and so much more. When in doubt, reach for frankincense, whether it be for you or for your dog. Frankincense can be diffused, applied topically, and taken internally. Generally, internally, you dilute 1 drop of the frankincense into your dog's food, less for smaller dogs, of course. You dilute and apply topically along the spine by petting or directly over the area of concern or between the paw pads on the hind legs. Lavender, this is the queen of oils, all things calming, relaxing, soothing, and it's great for occasional skin irritations, eases the feelings of tension, promotes restful sleep, and reduces anxious feelings. Reach for lavender when thunderstorms are in the area, or if your dog is anxious when you leave, or when you're introducing a new animal into your household. It's great for skin, and you can even add a drop to your dog's shampoo. Peppermint. Oh my, what a great all purpose oil. Energy, digestive health, stomach upset, gas, freshens breath, respiratory support. You can use it in a cool bath or cold compress when your dog is overheated, and it's also a natural bug repellent. Digest Zen. That's our digestive blend. It's all things digestive, and it's a must have oil for every dog owner. It can be used topically or internally to promote healthy digestion, used for occasional gastric upsets, used on road trips, for example, by applying diluted to the belly with lavender for calming. Use it if your dog's digestive tract is moving too slow or too fast. You know what I mean. If it's coming out of the front of your dog or the back of your dog, use Digest Zen. Okay. Digest Zen is wonderful when used also with Terrazyme, which is our digestive enzyme. And it's an important supplement to add in with your dog's meals when they're eating dry food or processed canned food. On Guard. On Guard is our protective blend, a natural and an effective alternative for immune support. It supports the body's natural antioxidant defenses. It protects against seasonal and environmental threats and supports a healthy respiratory function. It's filled with antioxidants, so it's wonderful for immune support for our dogs. It's great for those environmental threats, as I mentioned. So if you're going to a dog show, a dog fair, dog park, or if your dog is going to be exposed to a lot of other dogs and animals, you can use it. You can use it topically if you dilute it significantly because it contains hot oils. I love to diffuse On Guard. You can give it internally with the food. Remember, there are on the On Guard bottle, there are supplement facts on the bottle, and that tells you that it's safe to use internally. Breathe. Oh my, Breathe is our respiratory blend, and how wonderful this is. We love it for our dogs for maintaining clear airways and easy breathing, not just for the dogs that have the shorter respiratory area and noses. You'll want to diffuse this oil, and you can dilute it and use it topically, even though it contains tea tree, otherwise known as melaleuca. And I'll talk about that in just a moment. Lemon. Lemon is naturally cleansing and aids in digestion and supports a healthy respiratory function. It promotes positive mood, assists with seasonal respiratory discomfort, and helps at removing even grease from skin and from your dog's fur. You can put it in your dog's water bowl or in their food, but do not do that if it's shared by a cat. Using lemon internally is great for cleansing. When using it topically, remember, be mindful, as with all citrus oils, that they are photosensitive. So tea tree melaleuca. Tea tree is best known for its purifying properties. It can be used to cleanse and purify the skin and nails. It's frequently used on occasional skin irritations to soothe the skin. And when diffused, it can help purify and freshen the air. This oil is controversial, and most veterinarians will say that it's toxic to small animals. In my opinion, and it's only my opinion, after reviewing the research, this unnecessarily frightens pet owners and oil users. Many veterinarians and research supports that pure tea tree or melaleuca is safe to use occasionally in low doses for our dogs, except for puppies and dogs less than 20 pounds. Be knowledgeable about the information that is out there. Tea tree can be safely diffused, applied topically in moderation and occasionally, and given internally occasionally if diluted, which means no more than 1 to 2%. So that's a start. okay? 1 drop per 100 drops of carrier oil. So keep it very dilute. The Pet Poison Hotline says that products containing tea tree oil are safe in concentrations less than 1 to 2%, and they're generally considered non-toxic. Oregano. Oregano is a powerful hot oil. And if you want to use it with your dogs, use caution. If you're diffusing it just a single drop, it's very, very potent. It supports a healthy immune system and is a powerful cleansing and purifying agent. It can support healthy digestion and respiratory function. Oregano has great antioxidant properties. Deep Blue. This is our soothing blend. While Deep Blue is great choice for people to use as a soothing and cooling massage, it is a little strong for most dogs. I haven't heard of any adverse reactions when people are using it with their dogs. However, it does contain camphor and wintergreen. So I prefer to err on the side of caution with this one and dilute it even more, or use other alternatives like Aroma Touch, frankincense, or copaiba. Balance. Oh my, Balance is an incredible blend. It's our grounding blend. I would rate this as one of my top 3 oils for dogs and for myself. It's pre-diluted with coconut oil so that you can use it straight out of the bottle, except for small puppies. Start with Balance if you're doing a protocol where you have multiple oils and you're layering them. It's great for relaxation. I love to use Balance in conjunction with lavender, just like with people. It promotes a whole body sense of relaxation. It evokes feelings of tranquility and balance, promotes restful sleep, eases anxious feelings. You can use it on a car ride to create a calm environment in the vehicle. Balance and serenity together are a wonderful combination for when your dog has stress and when your dog has anxious feelings when you leave them. Copaiba. This oil is an incredible therapeutic value. Its potent and diverse uses for dogs are just amazing. This oil supports the health of the cardiovascular, immune, digestive, cellular, and nervous systems, and supports a healthy inflammatory response. It's a powerful antioxidant and safe to use on all species, especially dogs love them. So copaiba can be topically and internally and aromatically used with dogs. Copaiba works directly with the body systems, unlike some other cannabinoids. I love to use it alone or with frankincense or lavender. For example, for any kind of inflammation and discomfort, it's best addressed with frankincense and copaiba together. If there's a skin issue, you can also add some lavender. Remember to use no more than 4 or 5% dilution for dogs topically, depending on the size. Please consider giving this to your dog every day along with frankincense. Adaptive. This is a newer blend and it's our calming blend. This blend can be used topically and aromatically with dogs, and it's great for stressful situations, tension, and calming, as well as focus. Diffusing creates a centered and calm mindset. So it's wonderful for times when you want to help compose your dog. I love to use adaptive prior and during training sessions to help the dog focus on their work and whatever task I'm doing with them at the time. It's great to diffuse in your car to help calm your dog as well as in your home if your dog is experiencing anxious feelings during thunderstorms, fireworks, or when you leave him or her alone. So now you have information on doTERRA's top 13 oils and how we use them and love them for our dogs. Keep it simple. Follow a few simple rules and use common sense and let the oils do their work. If you're ready to get started with doTERRA, pure essential oils for you, your family, and especially your dogs, reach out to the person that shared this video with you. And if that person was me, I would be happy to serve and support you. So thank you for listening, and take care, and happy oiling.